Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of: is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Simple and effective. Get real-time reports on your sales, top-performing dishes, customer behavior, and delivery performance, all powered by AI. Spot trends, fix weak spots, and make smarter decisions that lead to more profits. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Get a real-time dashboard that shows sales trends, top-selling items, and customer feedback. Track delivery performance and export detailed reports in formats like CSV or PDF. With FoodAI, data-driven decisions are just a click away. Serve customers worldwide with multilingual websites and automatic currency conversion. Whether it's dollars, euros, or yen, FoodAI handles payments seamlessly, breaking barriers and boosting your reach. With SEO-optimized site structures and pre-built integrations for social media, your website gets noticed. Sync with Google My Business and Google Analytics to maximize visibility and track your performance. Get free domain options or bring your own custom domain. Enjoy secure, reliable cloud hosting with SSL certification included. Your website stays live, fast, and protected guaranteed. Stays live, fast, and protected guaranteed. Easily track inventory with seamless integrations. Want multi-vendor support? Done. Need a chatbot for customer service? Included. FoodAI gives you every tool you need to expand and grow. With full white label capabilities, launch websites under your own brand, with your own logos, colors, and designs. Customers will never know FoodAI is behind the scenes, it's all you. From menu recommendations based on past orders to AI-driven marketing ideas, FoodAI handles the heavy lifting. Automated chatbots answer customer questions while you focus on scaling. It's like having a team of experts working 24/7. Use the reseller dashboard to manage clients, sales, and marketing materials. Sell websites as white label solutions and keep 100% of the profits. With FoodAI, you're not just building a business, you're building a legacy. Seconds. This is exactly what FoodAI does for you. It's like jumping into the future while others are still playing catch up. No matter what's going on in the world, you'll always stay ahead of the game, smarter, faster, and in total control. FoodAI. Affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, blog owners, product creators, e-com store owners, local business owners. FoodAI. Any niche. FoodAI. Why waste money on monthly fees? With FoodAI, you pay once and that's it. But here's the kicker. You don't just save money, you can make money by charging others to use it. Why keep paying when you could own it, profit from it, and never look back? Wouldn't that be amazing? If you're still trying to make it online without AI, let me tell you the truth, you're making it way harder than it needs to be. In today's world, if you're not using AI, you're setting yourself up to fail. But don't worry, FoodAI is here to change all that. It's the game changer we use to turn. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.